Welcome to the Dr. Fred Jones Show, the book brand business podcast with Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist. If you want to write a book, build a brand, and start a profitable online business, this is the podcast for you. Dr. Fred is a retired business law and ethics professor and a former U.S. Supreme Court attorney turned book coach. He can help you share your story and write your worth. If all you have is an idea, keep listening. You could go from idea to book to bestseller, overnight bestseller, international bestseller. Doesn't that sound good? Then let's get to it. Here's your host, Dr. Fred Jones.
What does Amazon bestseller mean? Kind of like the Old Testament. What meaneth this? Okay? For my friend, this actually is something that so many people desire, and that is to become or to be recognized as a best-selling author. Is that something that you've been longing for? Maybe you have said in your mind, I'm not sure if I can ever be a best-selling author, but I sure would love to become one. And then once you've gotten this status, then what does it mean to you? Let me put it to you like this. I remember when I became a best-selling author, I was jumping, I was running, I was so excited. That was years ago. Since that time, it has revolutionized my life. I've been able to build a business based off of that status, and it has been an incredible journey, and I'm still riding the wave. I want to give you 3 things that Amazon best-selling author mean. Number 1, it's confidence booster. Confidence, confidence, confidence. I remember Alicia, one of my clients, she went through my program, Bestseller Overnight. She became a bestseller. She said, I went to bed, Alicia. I woke up, Alicia, international bestselling author, and her confidence was through the roof. Okay. She was confident. She was excited. It changed her whole life to become a bestselling author. Number 2, it's going to give you credibility. Oftentimes we wrestle within ourselves and we think, am I credible? Who am I? Who's going to believe me? Why me? You question yourself. I hear a lot of people talk about imposter syndrome. You wrestle with this thing, right? Well, when you become a bestseller, you've gotten yourself a credibility that you don't have to question that anymore. You can just settle in and go out and do what this title really says you're supposed to be doing. Bestseller. You see, best-selling. Don't get it twisted. It means exactly what it says. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, then I want you to hit the like and subscribe button here right below. The like and subscribe button so that you'll be the first to know the next time I drop a new video in the flow. Point number 3. What meaneth bestseller? What's the meaning of bestseller? Amazon bestseller. It means that you are certified. You see, you get to wear the crown. You get to have the banner. You get to, have the sticky on your book. You get to have it on your website, on your landing pages. You're certified. The word authority comes from the root word author. Author is the root word to authority. When you become a bestseller, you are the authority. You have certification. Number 1, you got confidence. Number 2, credibility. And number 3, you are certified. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist, reminding you the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people.
Thanks for listening to the Dr. Fred Jones Show, the book brand business podcast. Now it's time for you to move forward. Comment on today's episode. What is the one big takeaway you got, and how are you going to apply it? If you want to write a book, build a brand, and start a business, but don't know where or how to begin, start here at drfredjones.com/class. That's drfredjones.com/class. It is time for you to share your story and write your worth. Remember, the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people.